So I'm going to do a quick review. We just got notice that our Walmart is delivering from drones now. And I get this in the mail, and it shows that Walmart is doing wing delivery. They'll also deliver for free with this code. Well, on the app, they also have the ability that you can get a free candy cane delivery. So I've already added it to my cart. And like you see, free delivery. So we're gonna review and check out. It says it'll deliver in like 15, 20 minutes. 2 more things, add payment and choose delivery spot. So first things, I'm gonna fill out this payment. It then gives me to choose where my delivery spot is. And it tells me this is where it's gonna deliver. So I'm going to tap that. And it wants me to make sure that spot is clear. Well, let me go ahead and tell you, it is. See instructions. Clear the area. It'll lower it there. So make sure there's no pets or cars or anything like that. Yes, I cleared it. 1 order of candy canes to my address, delivery spot with my payments. Place the order. Placing the order.
So just start flying.
Safety first, please keep people. It's gonna drop it down. Remain clear. It isn't meant to land, but it could. Please don't touch it, but we can support the contact. ETA, 13 to 23 minutes, and they're prepping the order. So it's now on its way flying to us. Has 3.5 minutes flying to you. And it shows right here, here's where I'm at, and it's flying to us. I figure we'll be able to see it when it's about 1 minute out. It is set that it's going to land right there. We'll see how good it does. So it says it's on its way. It should be coming from this direction. I hear it. Help me find it, bud. And this stupid car is oh, there it is. Ren. Dropped it. Let it go.
Go get it. What?
And it's gone. Flying off.